In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively select and edit multiple tabs in Google Sheets and perform some basic actions to streamline your workflow. Whether you're managing projects, analyzing data, or just organizing information, knowing how to handle multiple tabs efficiently can make a massive difference in your productivity. First, ensure you've opened your Google Sheets document with multiple tabs visible. For this demonstration, it's essential to have at least a few tabs created, so if you haven't already done so, take a moment to add some by clicking the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Once you're set up with multiple tabs, the next step is selecting the tabs you want to work with. You can easily do this by holding down the Shift key on your keyboard and then clicking on each tab you wish to select. If the tabs you're targeting are adjacent, simply click on the first tab, hold down Shift, and click on the last tab in the range. This action will highlight the entire series, just like that. You can tell which tabs are selected by the colored outline around them. Now that your desired tabs are selected, let's say you want to perform the same action across all these tabs. A typical action might be formatting, such as adjusting the font style or changing the background color. For this, you'll first select the cells you want to format in the Active tab. Once that's done, apply your desired changes using the toolbar as you normally would. Here's a neat trick. Because all your selected tabs are linked, any change applied to one tab will mirror across each of the highlighted tabs, saving you from the repetitive task of formatting each one individually. Suppose you want to duplicate a set of tabs or create identical structuring for another project. Google Sheets makes this easy. Right-click on the selected tabs and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, choose the duplicate option. This creates a copy of all selected tabs, including their formatting and data, just after the last tab. This feature is incredibly handy when starting new projects based on existing tab setups, allowing you to maintain consistency across different documents. If at any point you need to unselect any of the tabs, simply click on any of the tabs outside of that selected range. This action breaks the selection and returns you to working with single tabs. These techniques not only save time, but help maintain a consistent and organized structure within your spreadsheets. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try these steps repeatedly until they become second nature. With this newfound expertise, managing Google Sheets should now be smoother and more efficient. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find these tips as invaluable as I do when managing tasks in Google Sheets.